फहल मिन मुद्दकिर. So, is there one to heed to the advice? From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem, Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. We will continue to learn the Arabic words started with Alif Lam and their meanings in English. Some Arabic words started with Alif Lam but ended with circular Ta are feminine words. I request you please check and comment that in this lesson which words are the feminine words we learn. Let us start with our new lesson. Al-Imanu, faith. At-Tawfiqu, divine assistance. Al-Jismu, body. Al-Mushrikatu, polytheism. Al-Azanu, call to prayer. Al-Qasamu, oath. Al-Khabaru, news. As-Sawalu, question. Ash-Shafa'atu, intercession or pleading with a higher power. Al-Ihsanu, kindness. Al-Hubbu, love. At-Taqata, energy. Az-Zulmu, injustice. Al-Arabi, Arab. Al-Insanu, human. An-Naharu, river. Al-Jummatu, Friday. Al-Fitnatu, trial. Al-Qatlu, killing. As-Saffu, raw.